Align the notch on the M.2 2280 solid-state drive with the tab on the SSD slot on the system board. Insert the solid-state drive at a 45-degree angle into the system board. Press the other end of the solid-state drive down and replace the screw that secures the solid-state drive to the system board. Now, let's install the left side cover. Locate the tabs on the left side cover and slots on the chassis. Rotate the left side cover towards the chassis until it snaps into place. Tighten the captive screw that secures the left side cover release latch to the chassis. Place the cable cover back at the rear of the chassis. The cable cover is an optional accessory. Skip this step if the cable cover is not shipped with the computer. The M.2 2280 solid-state drive installation process is now complete.